Honorable Isodo fought for a tractor for Ngora district, and she had promised to fight for more tractors for her constituency. She was so passionate about agriculture, Madam Speaker.
During that time of NADS, she formed so many groups where women were able to form groups of agriculture, and she's one of those persons in Teso who made women to get involved in agriculture.
She was highly respected and friendly personality. She was a servant leader who was deeply loved by her people of Ngora and the colleagues in Parliament.
Somebody very humble and feared the Lord, and we will really miss her.